Students, now we are solving section A. Your first question is, a lamp post 9 meter high casts a shadow 3√3 meter long on the ground. Sun's elevation angle at this moment is. Students, we know very well, we have a 9 meter high lamp post, correct? Now the angle of elevation we have to find. It casts a shadow 3√3 meter. So we have to find this angle of elevation. This is the angle of elevation of the sun, correct? Now students, we know very well, perpendicular is given, base is given. We will apply here tan theta. The value of tan theta will be perpendicular upon base. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. We can write it √3 into √3 over √3. This is cancel out. Tan theta equals to √3. So we will see in trigonometry table, the value of √3 will be tan 60. Means angle will be 60. You can write tan 60 in the place of √3. Tan cancel out. Theta will be 60 degree. Now your question number 2. The region between a chord and either of two arcs of a circle is called. Students, you can see here we have a circle, correct? And they are saying the area between chord and the arc, means this area. What is the name of this area? We know very well. The name of this area will be segment. So your correct answer will be segment. Question number 3. The area of sector of a circle with radius 6 cm which subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center of the circle is. Students, we will draw a figure. They are saying that we have a circle and area subtended by an arc at the center is 60 degree, correct? And radius, what is the radius of this circle? This is given here 6 centimeter. You know, we have to find area of sector. We have to find area of this sector. We know very well, area of sector. Area of sector. This will be theta over 360 into pi r square. The value of theta, this is 60 upon 360 into pi. The value of pi will be 22 over 7 into the value of r. This is 6 into 6. 6 is a 36, 6 1 ja 6. And after doing multiply, 6 2 ja 12, 6 2 ja 12, 113 upon 7 centimeter square. Means area of the shaded part, means area of the sector will be 132 upon 7 centimeter square, correct? Now students, your question number 4 is, the roots of a quadratic equation x square minus 4 is equals to 0 are, means it may be one root or two. How will we solve this part? Students, we will transpose this 4 in right hand side. So we will get here x square equals to 4. Now we have a square here. We will take square root. So x is equals to square root of 4. When you will take square root, you will take plus minus sign. This will be x equals to plus minus 2. So means there are two values, x equals to 2 and x equals to minus 2. So there are two roots, x equals to 2 and x equals to minus 2. So option B will be right. Students, here question number 7. What should be added to the polynomial x square minus 5x plus 4 so that 3 is a 0 of the resulting polynomial? Let a should be added in this polynomial, correct? So we are taking here, students, x square minus 5x plus 4 and we are adding a in this polynomial. And when you will put x equals to 0, so the value of this polynomial will be 0 because x equals to 3 is the 0 of this polynomial. We are putting x is equals to 3. So this will be 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 4 plus a is equals to 0 because we are putting the value of x. So the value will be 0. 3 3 ja 9 minus 5 3 ja 15 plus 4 plus a is equals to 0. Then you will solve this part. 9 plus 4 This will be 13 minus 15 plus a is equals to 0. After solving, we'll get here minus 2a plus a is equals to 0. Transposing this term, so a will be 2. Means we will add 2 in this polynomial. Then x equals to 3 will be the 0 of this polynomial. So your correct answer will be 2. Now your question number 8 is, a tangent to a circle is a line that touches the circle at only one point. Students, you can see here we have a circle and we are drawing a tangent. So this tangent is touching this circle at only one point. So answer will be 1 point only. Students, your question number 5. In the figure, triangle ABC is similar to triangle QPR. Then the value of x. There are triangles ABC is similar to triangle QPR. And we have to find what is the value of this x. Students, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. We are taking here AC and the corresponding side of AC will be QR. We are taking QR in the denominator is equals to, we are taking here BC. In the denominator, the corresponding side of BC will be PR. Now we are putting the value. What is the value of AC? This is 6. And QR, this is 3. The value of BC, this is 4.6. And the value of PR, this is x. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. In denominator 1, doing cross multiply, the value of 2x will be 4.6 and x is equals to 4.6 upon 2. After solving, we will get here 2.3. So your correct answer will be 2.3, means C option will be right. In question number 6, what are they saying? If a die is thrown once, the probability of composite number less than 5 is. Options are, you can see here, option A 1 by 3, B 2 by 3, C 0 and D 1 by 6. Students, if we are throwing a die, so total outcomes will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 outcomes. And composite number less than 5. Composite number less than 5, so we have only one number 4. So probability will be favorable outcome. We have only one outcome upon total number of outcomes are 6. So your correct answer will be 1 upon 6. Means D option will be right. Students, our question number 9. The distance between the points 2, minus 1 and minus 1, minus 5 is. Students, we will use here distance formula. This is your x1, y1, x2, y2. We know distance is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So we can put the value here. X2, this is minus 1 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2, this is minus 5 minus y1, this is minus 1. So minus minus plus 1 whole square. We will solve this part. Minus 1 minus 2, this will be minus 3 square, this will be 9. Minus 5 plus 1, this will be minus 4, 4 4 just 16. 16 plus 9, this will be 25 and square root of 25 will be 5 units. Means the value of distance will be 5 units. So your answer will be 5 units. B option will be right. Now question number 10 is, if 1080 is equals to 2 to the power x into 3 to the power y into 5, then x minus y is. We have to find the value of x minus y. Students, what will we do here? 1080, we will do prime factorization of 1080, 2540 by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 270, then by 2, this will be 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10. Now we will divide by 3, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15. Now by 3, 3 1 3, 3 5 ja 15, then 3 5 ja 15 and 5 1 ja 5. Students, we can write 2 to the power 3. We can write 2 to the power 3, then 3 to the power 3, then 5 in the place of 1080 is equals to 2 to the power x into 3 to the power y into 5. Students, you will compare both the sides. The value of x will be 3 and the value of y will be 3 and 5 equals to 5. We have to find the value of x minus y. So x minus y is equals to 3 minus 3. This will be 0. So means your correct option will be D. Answer will be 0. Students, your question number 13 is the following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers. The lower limit of the model class will be income. This is given here. Interval 404 to 424, 425 to 449, 450 to 474, 475 to 499, 500 to 524. Workers are 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. So we have to find lower limit of the model class. Students, first of all, we will convert this discontinuous interval into continuous interval. Correct? So what will we do here? You will subtract 0.5 from lower limit and you will add 0.5 in upper limit. Now you can see here what is the maximum frequency. Maximum frequency is 14. This will be F1. So in front of this you will see lower limit, but we will convert it in continuous interval. So you will subtract 0.5 in lower limit. So you will get here 424.52. You will add 0.5 in upper limit. So this will be 449.5. So lower limit of this model class, this is model class, the lower limit of the model class will be 424.5. Your right answer will be C. Now your question number 14. The common difference of an AP if A23 minus A19 is equals to 32. Students, you know very well A23 will be A plus 22D minus the value of A19, this will be A plus 18D is equals to 32. You will solve this part. A plus 22D minus A minus 18D is equals to 32. A cancel out. 22D minus 18D. So this will be 4D is equals to 32. The value of D will be 32 upon 4. After solving, you will get here 8. 4 8 is 32. So your right answer will be 8. Means option A will be right. Students, your question number 15 is figure is given here and they are saying find angle APO. Find angle APO. Correct? You know radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. OA is radius, AP is tangent. So this angle will be 90 degree. We will use here angle sum property. The sum of all the angles of a triangle will be 180 degree. Let this be x. So x plus 90 plus 70 is equals to 180 degree. This value will be x plus 160 is equals to 180. So x will be 180 minus 160. This will be 20 degree. So this angle will be 20 degree. Option D will be right for this question. Now your question number 16 is if 510A equals to 3, then cot A is. You have to find the value of cot A with the help of this 10. Students, you can see here 10A. You will find the value of 10A from here. So this will be 3 upon 5. We know very well cot is reciprocal of 10. So cot A will be 5 upon 3. Means your option B will be right, 5 upon 3. Students, your question number 17 is the midpoint of the line segment joining the points minus 6 comma minus 4 and 0 comma 4 is correct. So we have to find midpoint. Students, we will make a line and coordinates of 2 points are given here minus 6 comma minus 4 and your second point is 0 comma 4. So we have to find midpoint of this line segment. Correct? Suppose this is the midpoint. How will we find midpoint? The formula is x equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Correct? Or you can add first and you will divide by 2 minus 6 plus 0 upon 2 and second upon 2 minus 4 plus 4 upon 2. After solving, you will get here minus 6 upon 2. This will be minus 3. Minus 4 plus 4, 0 upon 2. This is 0. So the midpoint of this line segment will be minus 3 comma 0. Option B will be right. Now your question number 18 is the mod and mean of a data are 7 and 8 respectively, then median of the data is. Students, we know one formula, 3 median is equals to mod plus 2 mean. So we have to find median here. Now two values are given. We have to find median. Now we will use here 3 into median is equals to mod. What is the value of mod here? Mod is 7 and mean is 8. This is 7 and mean is 8. Now this will be 7 plus 8 to just 16, and the 3 we will write in the denominator of this value. Your median will be 16 plus 7. This will be 23 upon 3. Means median of this data will be 23 upon 3. Answer. Students, your question number 19 and 20 are assertion and reason. How will we solve this part? Assertion A. The pair of linear equations 5x plus 2y plus 6 equals to 0 and 7x plus 6y plus 18 equals to 0 have infinite many solutions. Students, if a pair of linear equations have infinite many solutions, if a1 over a2 equals to b1 over b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. So the value of a1 5, b1 2, c1 6, a2 7, b2 6 and c2 18. We will get the value of a1 upon a2. What is the value of a1 over a2? This value a1 upon a2 is 5 upon 7. The value of b1 upon b2, the value of b1 upon b2, this is 2 by 6. So this will be 1 upon 3. The value of c1 upon c2, and this will be 6 upon 18. So you can see here a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, correct? So you can say these equations have not infinite many solutions, means assertion is wrong. A is wrong. Now reason, the pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0 have infinite many solutions if a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. This is correct formula. So reason will be right. Correct. Now you can see your question number 20. Assertion is the probability of getting 8 on a die is 0. It's correct. You know very well. There are only 6 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 situated on the die. So 8 will not come. This is impossible event. So probability of this event will be 0. Now reason, the probability of impossible event is 0. Means assertion and reason both are right. Assertion A is right and R is also right. And reason is the correct explanation of this assertion. Students, we have to find the value of 5 sin square 60 plus 3 cos square 30 minus sec square 45. So students, we will write here 5 into the value of sin 60, this is root 3 by 2 whole square plus 3 cos 30, the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square minus sec 45, this is under root 2 whole square. Now we will calculate this part. 5 into root 3 by 2 whole square, this will be 3 by 4 plus 3 multiplied by root 3 by 2 whole square, this will be 3 by 4 minus root 2 square, this will be 2. 5 3 ja 15 upon 4 plus 3 3 ja 9 upon 4 minus 2 over 1. Students, LCM of 4, 4 and 1 will be 4. You will write here 4 1 ja 4, 1 into 15, 15 plus 4 1 ja 4, 9 into 1, 9 minus 1 से आप डिवाइड करोगे इन 4 तो you will get here 4 4 2 ja 8. You will get here 15 plus 9, 15 plus 9, this will be 24. 24 minus You can write here 24 minus 8 upon 4. The value of 24 minus 8, this will be 16 upon 4. Then 4 4 just 16. Your answer will be 4. If alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial 8x square plus 14x plus 3, then find the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. Students, alpha and beta are zeros of this quadratic polynomial. So we can find the value of alpha plus beta from this polynomial. We know very well alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. And students, you know very well this is your a, this is your b, and this is your c. Means coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b, and constant term will be c. The value of alpha plus beta, this is minus b upon a, minus the value of b 14 upon a, this is 8, 2 7 2 4. The value of alpha plus beta will be minus 7 by 4. Now we will find the value of alpha into beta. Alpha into beta, we know this formula, c upon a, product of zeros, c by a. C, this is 3 upon a, this is 8. Now the value of alpha into beta, this is 3 by 8. We have to find the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. So 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. We will take LCM. LCM will be alpha, beta. This will be beta plus alpha, or you can say it alpha plus beta. The value of alpha plus beta, this is minus 7 upon 4 in denominator. Alpha into beta, this is 3 upon 8. We will solve this part. We have fraction upon fraction. So this will be minus 7 upon 4 into 8 over 3. 4 2 ja 8. This will be minus 14 upon 3. The value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta, this will be minus 14 upon 3. Answer. Students, we have choice in question number 22. The OR part is find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are minus 9 and 6. Now given here zeros alpha, this is minus 9, and beta, this is 6. Now we will find sum and product of zeros. Now sum of zeros, you can say alpha plus beta, this is minus 9 plus 6, this will be minus 3. Alpha into beta means product of zeros, we will do multiply of both. Minus 9 into 6, this will be 9 6 ja 54. So this will be minus 54. Students, we know what is a polynomial. If sum and product of zeros are given, the polynomial px will be x square minus alpha plus beta means sum of zeros into x plus alpha into beta means product of zeros. X square minus alpha plus beta, the value of alpha plus beta, this is minus 3 into x plus alpha into beta, this is minus 54. The value of this part, x square minus minus plus 3x and plus minus minus 54. So polynomial whose zeros are minus 9 and 6 will be x square plus 3x minus 54. In the given figure, LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD to prove that AM upon AN equals to AB upon AD. This is question number 23 in board question paper 2024. Students, what will we do here? We know very well if ML is parallel to BC, ML is parallel to BC, then we know AM upon AB is equals to AL upon AC. This is equation number 1. Similarly, LN is parallel to CD. So you can write here AN over AD is equals to AL upon AC. This is equation number 2. You can see right sides are equal. AL upon AC, AL upon AC are equal. So by equation 1 and 2, we can write here AM upon AB is equals to an upon ad. Students, how will we solve this part? We can do cross multiply here. Doing cross multiply, we will get here am multiply by ad is equals to ab into an. Now we have to show here am upon an. So we will take this an in the denominator of am. So this will be am upon an is equals to ab upon ad. So this is your result proved. Given that HCF of 306 and 1314 is 18, find LCM of 306 and 1314. Students, we know very well product of two numbers is equals to LCM into HCF. Now what is the product of two numbers? We will write here 306 into 1314 is equals to LCM. We have to find LCM of these two numbers, and HCF is 18. 18 is in multiply, so you can write in the denominator of these two numbers over 18. When you will solve this part, you will divide 306 by 18, so you will get here 17 into 1314. When you will do multiply of these two numbers, so you will get here 22338. So this will be the LCM of these two numbers. Means LCM of these two numbers will be 22338. Question number 25. X, Y and PQ are two tangents drawn at the endpoints of the diameter AB of a circle. Prove that XY is parallel to PQ. Students, we have a circle. AB is a diameter and there are two tangents we have drawn at the endpoints of the diameter. So we have to show XY will be parallel to PQ. XY will be parallel to PQ. Students, we know very well radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. We know radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. Correct? OA is perpendicular on XY. So this angle will be 90 degree. Similarly, OB is perpendicular on PQ. This is radius, this is tangent. So this angle is also 90 degree. This is 90, this is 90. Now you can see here Z. Alternate interior angles are equal. So these lines will be parallel. We can write here angle XAB is equals to angle ABQ each 90. If these two angles are equal, so these two lines will be parallel. So XY will be parallel to PQ. Proved. Students, your section C, question number 26 is prove that 2 plus 5 root 3 is an irrational number if it is given that under root 3 is an irrational number. So how will we do this part? Let 2 plus 5 under root 3 be a rational number. And we know very well rational numbers can be written in the form of P upon Q. So it can be written in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equals to 0, where Q is not equals to 0. P and Q are co-prime. Correct? Students, we will write here P over Q is equals to 2 plus 5 under root 3. We can write it P upon Q. We will transpose this 2 in left hand side. So minus 2, 5 is in multiply. So we can write in the denominator 5 is equals to under root 3. Correct? Now this number is a rational number. This is a rational number. But under root 3, this is an irrational number. It is not possible कि a rational number will be equals to an irrational number. So this is the contradiction of our question. We will write here p over q minus 2 upon 5 is a rational number, but under root 3 is an irrational number. Hence we find a contradiction. Hence we find a contradiction. So our assumption is wrong, means 2 plus 5 root 3 will be an irrational number. Using quadratic formula, find the roots of the equation 2x square plus 2x plus 9 equals to 0 if they exist. Students, how will we check existence of these roots? We will find discriminant of this quadratic equation. If this will be 0 or greater than 0, then roots will be exist, otherwise roots will not exist. Correct? So we will write here 2x square plus 2x plus 9 equals to 0. We will compare with the standard form. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Students, the value of a, this is the value of a, this is the value of b, and this is the value of c. Means coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b, and coefficient of constant term will be c. So students, we will find here discriminant d is equals to b square minus 4ac. The value of b is 2 square minus 4 into a, this is 2, and c is 9. 2 2 ja 4 minus 4 2 ja 8, 8 9 ja 72. Correct? So this will be 4 minus 72. We will get here minus 12 minus 4 8, and this is 6. So 68. D is smaller than minus, D is smaller than 0. Means this is minus 68. So roots will not exist. Roots are not real, so we will not find. Question number 27. This is OR part. Find the value of k for which the quadratic equation kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equals to 0 has real and equal roots. Students, we know very well, if any quadratic equation has real and equal roots, then discriminant yani b square minus 4ac will be 0. We will write here discriminant d is equals to b square minus 4ac. This will be 0. Students, what is the value of a? The value of a, this is k. The value of b, this is minus 2k, and the value of c, this is 6. We'll put all the values here. So the value of b, this is minus 2k whole square, minus 4 into a, this is k, into c, this is 6 equals to 0. This will be 4k square minus 4 6 are 24k is equals to 0. What is common in both? 4k is common. In bracket k minus 6 equals to 0. So we'll write here 4k equals to 0 and k minus 6 equals to 0. Transposing this 4 in right hand side, so 0 upon 4 we'll get here 0, and 6 in right hand side, so k will be 0. Answer. Prove that 1 plus sec theta upon sec theta is equals to sine square theta upon 1 minus cos theta. Correct? Students, there are two sides and we have to show both the sides are equal. We are taking here left hand side. This is 1 plus sec theta upon sec theta. Correct? Students, the value of sec theta is 1 upon cos theta, means sec is reciprocal of cos. So we can write here 1 plus 1 upon cos theta over 1 upon cos theta. We are taking 1 in the denominator. LCM of cos theta and 1 will be cos theta. This will be cos theta plus 1. And we are taking reciprocal of this 1 upon cos. So this will be cos theta upon 1. Now cos theta cancel out, so this will be 1 plus cos theta. Means your left hand side is 1 plus cos theta, but we will solve right hand side also. So this will be sine square theta over 1 minus cos theta. The value of sine square theta, students, we know a formula: sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. By this formula, we can say the value of sine square, this will be 1 minus cos square theta over 1 minus cos theta. We can take square of this 1. A square minus b square, this is a minus b and a plus b. In denominator, we can write 1 minus cos theta. Now this term is cancelled out by this term. We will get here 1 plus cos theta. Students, you can see here left hand side is 1 plus cos theta, right hand side is 1 plus cos theta. So left hand side equals to right hand side, hence proved. Question number 29. From a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards, all black queen and red kings are removed. One card is selected at random. From the remaining cards, find probability: number 1 an ace, second a jack of red color, third a king of spades. Correct? Students, we know red kings and black queens are removed from the deck of 52 cards. So now we have total cards. Students, we know total cards are 52, but 4 cards are removing from this deck. So the total cards will be 52 minus 4. So this will be 48. Correct? Now we know very well, in the deck of 52 cards, there will be 4 ace. So probability of an ace, this will be favorable outcomes. How many? Ace 4, and upon total cards 48. 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Then probability will be 1 upon 12. Second, a jack of red color, probability of a jack of red color. So students, how many red color jacks are there? Only 2 jacks are there. Correct? So favorable outcomes 2 upon total outcomes are 48. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, and 2 4 ja 8. Then probability will be 1 upon 24. And third, probability of a king of spade. So king of spade, there is only one king of spade, and the color of this spade is black. So we will write here 1 upon 48. The probability of a king of spade will be 1 upon 48. These are the answers of this question. A chord of a circle of radius 10 cm subtends a right angle at the center of the circle. Find area of corresponding: number 1 minor sector, number 2 major sector. Students, you can see this question is related to area related to circles. We have to find area of this minor sector, and angle is given here 90 degree. And what is the radius of this circle? This is 10 cm. This is also 10 cm. This angle is 90 degree. Then this whole angle will be 360 minus 90. This will be 270 degree. So students, we have to find area of this minor sector. You know very well, theta, this is 90 degree in first part, and radius, this is 10 centimeter. We have to find area of this sector. Area of sector is equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now students, what is the value of this theta? This is 90 degree upon 360, and pi 3.14, this is given here, and r, this is 10 square, 9 4. We will get here 1 upon 4 into 3.14 into 10 into 10, this will be 100. Now we will cancel 0 and point we will remove here. So students, what is the value? We will do calculation. 314 divided by 4. 4 7 ja 28. This will be 3. 4 8 ja 32. And 4 5 ja 20. After calculating, you will get here 78.5 centimeter square. And in second part, you have to find area of major sector. So students, area of major sector, this will be theta upon 360 into pi r square. The value of theta we will change here. Value of theta will be 270. This will be major sector. This will be 270 upon 360, and pi, this is 3.14 into 10 square. You can write it 0 0 cancel out. 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, 3 upon 4, 3.14 into 100. So you will write here 314. Now 314 divided by 4. So students, we will get here, if we will divide 314 by 4, so we will get here 78.5. You will do multiply of both, so you will get your answer. 3 5 ja 15, carry 1. 3 8 ja 24, 125, carry 2. 3 7 ja 21, 22, 23. So your answer will be 235.5 centimeter square. Area of major sector will be 235.5 centimeter square, and area of minor sector will be 78.5 centimeter square. Prove that opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtends supplementary angles at the center of the circle. Students, we have a circle and ABCD is a quadrilateral, and quadrilateral is circumscribing this circle. We have to show opposite sides, means AB and CD will subtend 180 degree at the center, means we have to show AOB plus COD. This will be 180 degree, means sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. How will we show? First of all, we'll write here, let angle A is equals to 2x, angle B, this is 2y, angle C, this is 2z, angle D, this is 2b. Students, these angles are 2x, 2y, 2z and 2p. If we will join these parts like this, so we can say these two triangles are congruent, because radii, this is radius, so both the radii are equal, this is common, and these are tangent from exterior point, so both the triangles are congruent. This whole angle is 2x, so this angle will be x, this is also x. Angle 2b, this is y, 2y, so this will be y, and this is also y. Angle 2c, this is 2z, so this angle will be z, this is also z. This will be p, this will be p, because whole angle is 2p. This whole angle is 2x, so half will be xx, yy, zz and pp. Students, you will find the value of this angle AOB. Students, we know angle sum property. Sum of all the three angles of a triangle will be 180 degree. So we can write here, this is y, x plus y in triangle AOB, x plus y plus angle AOB is equals to 180 degree. So the value of angle AOB is 180 minus x minus y. So this is equation number 1. Similarly, we will find the value of angle COD, because we have a triangle COD. In triangle COD, sum of all the three angles will be 180 degree. So we can write P plus Z plus angle COD is equals to 180 degree. Angle COD, this will be 180 minus P minus Z. So students, this is equation number 2. Now we have to find sum of AOB and COD. This will be 180 degree. Now we are finding sum of AOB and COD. We are adding both the equations, adding equation 1 and 2. So we will get here AOB plus angle COD is equals to 180 plus 180, this will be 360, minus x minus y minus p minus z. So suppose this is question number 3. Let this is question number 3. Students, you know very well the value of angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, this will be 360 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 360. The value of A, this is 2x. The value of B, this is 2y. And C is 2z. And angle D, this is 2p. Students, what is common in all? You can see here 2 is common. So this will be x plus y plus z plus p is equals to 360. So x plus y plus z plus p, this will be 360 upon 2, 180. The value of x plus y plus z plus p is equals to 180. Students, if minus sign is common here, so the value of AOB plus angle COD, this will be 360, and minus is common here. X plus y plus z plus p, and this value will be 180 degree. 360 minus 180, so this angle will be 180 degree. Means sum of AOB and COD will be 180 degree. Sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. If BD and QM are median of triangle ABC and triangle PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, to prove that AB upon PQ equals to BD upon QM. Students, we can see here ABC and PQR are two similar triangles. Means all the angles of this triangle will be equals to all the angles of triangle PQR. Correct? And the ratio of their corresponding sides will be equal. Students, you can see here triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to AC upon PR. Correct? Now D is the midpoint of AC, M is the midpoint of PR. In the place of AC, we can put here 2AD. In the place of AC, we can put here 2AD. And in the place of PR, we can put here 2PM. This is BC upon QR and AB upon PQ. Now 2 cancel out. So we can see here the value of AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. AD upon PM. Now what will we do here? AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. And angle between both the sides AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. And angle A is equals to angle P. Students, in these two triangles, the ratio of two sides are equal and angle between both the sides are equal. So these two triangles are similar. Triangle ABD will be similar to triangle PQM by SAS property. By SAS property, both the triangles will be similar. Students, if these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of all the sides of this triangle are equals to is equals to all the sides of this one triangle. Means you can write here AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM. BD upon QM is equals to AD upon PM. And we have to show only this part. AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM. Proved. Question number 33. Two cubes of volume 125 centimeter cube are joined end to end, find the volume and surface area of the resulting cuboid. Students, we have two cubes. This is your first cube and this is your second cube. And volume of both the cubes are 125 centimeter cube and 125 centimeter cube. We are connecting both the cubes end to end. We are joining. Okay. So what will we get here? We will get a cuboid here. We will get a cuboid whose length will be the double of this length and breadth will be same and height will be same. So students, we can write here a cube is equals to 125. The value of a will be cube root of 125. So cube root of 125, this will be 5 centimeter. Means this side will be 5 centimeter. This is also 5 centimeter. Breadth 5, height is also 5, 5 and 5. Students, when we will combine both the cubes, only length will change. What will be the length of this cuboid? This length will be 10 centimeter. Breadth will be same 5 centimeter and height is also 5. Means length will be 10, breadth will be 5 and height is also 5. Students, we have to find volume and surface area of the cuboid. The first part, volume of cuboid, this will be L into B into H. The value of length, this is 10, breadth is 5 and height is also 5. 10 5 is 50 and 50 into 5, this is 250 centimeter cube. Now surface area, students, you know the formula. Surface area is equals to 2 LB plus BH plus HL. Now the value of L, this value of L will be 10 into B will be 5. The value of B is 5. This is also 5. H is 5. L is 10. So this will be 2. 5 2 is 10 plus 25 plus 5 10 is 50. Correct? 10 5 is 50. Now students will calculate this part. 50 plus 50, 100, 125. 2 into 125, this will be 250 centimeter square. Correct? The volume of this cuboid will be 250 centimeter cube and surface area is also 250 centimeter cube. Answer. Students, your question number 34. If the sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 91 and that of the 17 terms is 561, then find the sum of first n terms of the AP. So students, what is given here? First of all, we will write here. This is the question from your chapter AP. Sum of first 7 terms, this is 91 and sum of 17 terms means S17 is equals to 561 and we have to find sum of first n terms of this AP. This question is in 5 marks. Students, we will apply here Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Students, you know very well this formula is sum of n terms of an AP and we have the sum of 7 terms, so we are putting here S in the place of n, we will put here 7. This will be 7 upon 2, 2a plus the value of n, we have to put 7 minus 1 into the value of d, we don't know, we will put here d. The value of S7 is 91, we will put here 91 is equals to 7 upon 2, this will be 2a plus 6d. Students, what is common here? 2 is common, so we can write here 7 upon 2 into 2 and this will be a plus 3d. Correct? This will be 91. Now 2 cancel out, this will be 91 upon 7 is equals to a plus 3d. So this will be 7 1 is 7 and 7 3 is 21 Your equation number 1 will be a plus 3d. Correct? Now students, what will we do? We will make second equation from S17. The value of S17 is 561. So we are putting in the place of n, we will put here 17. So the value of S17 is equals to 17 upon 2 in bracket 2a plus 17 minus 1, this is 16d. Now 2 is common and the value of S17, this is 561. You will take 17 in the denominator and 2 in the numerator. So this will be 2 common, a plus 8d. Now 2 cancel out, 17 1 ja 17, 17 2 ja 34, 3 ja 51 and 3 ja 51. So we will get here a plus 8d is equals to 33. This is equation number 2. Correct? Students, we will solve both the equations. Your a plus 3d is 13. A plus 3d is equals to 13. This is equation number 1 and a plus 8d equals to 33. Now we are solving both the equations by elimination method. We are changing all the sign, minus minus minus, a cancel out. So the value of 8d minus 3d, this will be 5d is equals to, we will subtract this part. So the value of d will be 5 4 ja 20. The value of d will be 4. We are putting the value of this d in this equation. A plus 3 into the value of d is 4 is equals to 13. 4 3 ja 12. We will transpose this part. So a will be 13 minus 12. So this will be 1. The value of a will be 1. Students, we have to find the value of Sn. Now how will we find the value of Sn? You know Sn is equals to formula n by 2. So we will put here n by 2. 2 into, in the place of a, we have got here 1 plus n minus 1. In the place of this d, what is the value of d? This is 4. Now this will be n by 2. 2 1 ja 2. We will do multiply by 4. So this will be 4n minus 4. Now this will be n by 2. 4n minus 4 plus 2. This will be minus 2. 2 is common. So this will be n upon 2. So we will get here 2n minus 1. 2 cancel out. So your answer will be n 2n minus 1, or multiplying by n, so we will get here 2n square minus n. So sum of n terms of this AP will be 2n square minus n. Answer. Students, your question number 35 is, a statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Then find the height of the pedestal. Students, you know very well, we have a pedestal. What is the meaning of a pedestal? The base of the statue is called pedestal. Suppose AB is pedestal and we have a point on the ground. Suppose this is ground level and we have a point on the ground P. The height of the statue, what is the height of the statue? This is 1.6 meter. 1.6 meter. This is the height of the statue, 1.6 meter. Suppose A, C is a statue. We will write here AC. This is a statue. And AB, this is pedestal. Correct? Students, they are saying the angle of elevation of the top of the statue, this is 60 degree. So we will make angle of elevation, this is 60 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal, this is 45 degree. This angle is 45 degree. Students, we have to find the height of the pedestal. Let this distance be x. Students, you know very well, if there are two triangles, so we will use 2 times 10. So first of all, in triangle ABP, we will write here in triangle ABP, we will use here 1045 degree. 1045 degree. This will be perpendicular upon base h upon x. What is the value of 1045? We know very well. This is 1 h over x. Taking 1 in the denominator, doing cross multiply. So h is equals to s. X. This is equation number 1. Similarly, you will take a large triangle CBP. In triangle CBP, 1060 degree, this will be perpendicular. The whole perpendicular will be 1.6 plus h over x. The value of 1060, this is root 3. This is 1.6 plus h over x, taking 1 in the denominator. If two fractions are equal, students, we know very well, we will do cross multiply. So this will be root 3x is equals to 1.6 plus h. Now you know very well the value of h is equals to x. So we are putting the value of x. In the place of x, you will put here h is equals to 1.6 plus h. Transposing this h in left hand side, you will get here root 3h minus h equals to 1.6. Now h is common. This will be root 3 minus 1 is equals to 1.6. Now we will take this term in the denominator. So you will get here h is equals to 1.6 over root 3 minus 1, doing rationalization of the denominator. So doing multiply by root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1, we will get here 1.6 in bracket root 3 plus 1 over root 3 square, this is 3, minus 1 square 1. So your answer will be 1.6 upon 2, 0.8 root 3 plus 1 meter. Students, you can put the value of root 3 also. This is given 1.732 plus 1. So this will be 0.8 into 2.732. After multiplying, you will get your answer.